Today I want to talk about basically how to start all over in CoinManage, and what I mean by that, let me explain, is okay, so let's say I'm looking at my collection and I've got 2 coins in it, and I say to myself, I just want to start all over. And most importantly, if you notice here, the first coin here has CoinManage ID 1, the second coin has CoinManage ID number 2. And what I want to do is delete these coins and start all over and have my first coin revert to CoinManage ID number 1. Now, it's not as simple as just deleting these coins. So let me just delete these. And I'm even going to go in and select Action, Empty Deleted Coins folder so that they are not in the database anymore. But the problem is when I go in and start entering my coins, just enter an Indie and hit send here. Click OK. You notice it's going to have the CoinManage ID number 3. Now, how do I get rid of this? First of all, you need Microsoft Access. So if you don't have Microsoft Access, I believe it comes with a Microsoft Office 360 subscription, which costs at least $100 a year. It also includes, I believe, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So if you do have Microsoft Access, what you can do is this. First of all, select File, go to Data folder. Now exit CoinManage. I'm going to double click, see it says type here Microsoft Access database. I'm going to double click on this and open the CoinManage database file. Now the coins I've entered are in this table, CM 2001 main collection. This is the one coin that I've entered. Now, to reset everything back to number 1, I have to delete any records that are in here. And then I'm going to select Database Tools, Compact, and Repair Database. And this basically squeezes the database and gets rid of any data that was in there. So I'm going to do that. Exit. Now I'm back in CoinManage again, and let me try and enter a coin. 1865.12, for example. Click OK, and you can see here it comes back to CoinManage ID number 1. So that's how you reset everything to 0. Now, obviously, if you're not comfortable doing this, don't even attempt it. And as you can see, you're deleting everything you've entered. So don't think about it before you do it. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.